Hello students, today's topic is significant figures. Significant figures are the number of digits used to express the magnitude of a physical quantity with precision. Here we have some rules for determining the number of significant figures. You can see the first one, all non-zero digits are significant. Here you can see 13.75. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant figures there. Now, second one, all zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Here 100.05 kilometers. Here you can see in between 1 and 5, 3 zeros are there, decimal also there. Here, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 significant figures there. So we have to take all the zeros between two non-zero digits. All zeros to the right of a non-zero digit but to the left of an understood decimal point are not significant. Here you can see 86,400. Okay, 86,400, no need to consider these two zeros. They are not significant figures. Here significant figures means 8, 6 and 4. 1, 2, 3. So 86,400 has 3 significant figures. These two zeros at the right of this 4 are not significant. But next one, all zeros to the right of a non-zero digit but to the left of a decimal point are significant. Here you can see 6,48,700. Here you can see a decimal point also given there. So these zeros are significant. Okay, here all zeros to the right of a non-zero digit. So here these two zeros you can see as the right of this 7 but to the left of a decimal point. So these two are significant. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 significant figures there. All zeros to the right of a decimal point are significant. Here you can see 161.0 centimeter has 4 significant figures. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 0 we have to consider. So here it has 4 significant figures. Now 161.00 centimeters has 5 significant figures. So these two zeros are very important here. All zeros to the right of a decimal point but to the left of a non-zero digit are not significant. Here 0.161 centimeter has 3 significant figures. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 3 numbers are 3 significant figures. But here 0.0161 centimeter, it has also 3 significant figures. No need to consider this 0. The number of significant figures does not depend on the system of units. Example, 16.4 centimeter can convert into meter, then that will be 0.164 meters. In kilometers, 0.000164 kilometers. Whatever the unit, that doesn't matter. In all these cases, we can say 3 significant figures. 16.4 has 4 centimeter has 3 significant figures. 0.164 meter. Here the unit is meter. Then also 3 significant figures. Here that is converted into kilometer. Here also 3 significant figures. So we can say number of significant figures does not depend on the system of units. Rules for rounding of a measurement. Children, you know how to round off a number. So here we have some rules. Let us see what are they. If the digit to be dropped is smaller than 5, then the preceding digit is left unchanged. Here you can see an example, 5.62. If you want to drop this 2, here you can see this 2 is smaller than 5. So what can we do? We can drop this number, then here don't make any changes. We can write this as 5.6. Like this way we can write. Okay. If the digit to be dropped is greater than 5, then the preceding digit is increased by 1. Here you can see an example 7.26. If you want to drop the 6, here the 6 is greater than 5, no? So how to do that? You have to add 1 to this 2. Then that will be 7.3. Like this way we can round off this number 7.26 as 7.3. Okay. If the digit to be dropped is 5 followed by non-zero digits, then the preceding digit is increased by 1. Here you can see 7.252. Okay, in this 5 is followed by a non-zero digit, that is 2 there. If you want to drop this 5, what can you do that time? You have to add 1 to this preceding number. So you can write this as 7.3. Okay. If the digit to be dropped is 5, then the preceding digit is left unchanged if it is even. Here you can see 4.25 is written there. Here no other non-zero digits there. After this 5 you can see only 4.25. If you want to drop this 5, that preceding number is an even number, so you can write 4.2. No need to make any changes there, just drop that 5. 4.2. If the digit to be dropped is 5, then the preceding digit is increased by 1 if it is odd. You can see 3.15 there. If you want to drop this 5, here this preceding digit is 1, that is an odd number. So you can add 1 to this odd number, so that will be 3.2. These are the rules for rounding off a measurement. Rules for determining significant figures in the sum or difference of two numbers. In addition or subtraction, final result should be reported to the same number of decimal places as that of the original number with minimum number of decimal places. We have to write the final result with minimum number of decimal places. If you are adding two numbers, here you can see example 3.251. It has 3 decimal places. 1.33, 2 decimal places there. Now we are adding these two numbers, 3.251 plus 1.33. You can see its answer is 4.581. In our sum, we can see 3 decimal places. But according to our rule, we have to write that answer with 2 decimal places. So we need to drop this one there, then we can write 4.58. The same thing is applicable for difference also. Now, significant figures in the product or quotient of two numbers. In multiplication or division, the final result should be reported to the same number of significant figures as that of the original number with minimum number of significant figures. The same thing, same as that of sum or difference. Here also, in our result, the answer should be with minimum number of significant figures. Let us see an example 4.28 into 1.2. In this 4.28 you can see 3 significant figures there, 1.2 2 significant figures there. Our product is 5.136, but here we need to write that with 2 significant figures, so our answer is 5.1. Okay. Order of magnitude. Magnitude of a quantity can be expressed in terms of the nearest power of 10. The power of 10 thus obtained is known as the order of magnitude. Here you can see a number 6 is given there. Here it is expressed in nearest power of 10. So how can we write 0.6 into 10 raised to 1? Order of magnitude is power of 10, then that is 1. In 18, we can write that as 1.8 into 10 raised to 1. In this case, order of magnitude is 1. 480, 4.8 into 10 square. Here the order of magnitude is 2. 560, 0.56 into 10 raised to 3. If you are writing like this, here the order of magnitude is 3. 9260. So 0.926 into 10 raised to 4. Here the order of magnitude is 4. Thank you.